Hi. Welcome to the first video of this channel. Last day I was working in computer. You know nowadays computer is a part of our life. We write our university notes in them. We calculate complex problems by them. And of course playing games in computer. Which is a lot of funs. Generally everyone uses computer in a way. In other hands, we use computers to control bigger tasks. Like rockets which we launch to space are controlled by computers. And in some cases computers can be lifesaver. Which we can see them widely used in medical cases. Also business nowadays highly depend on computers. But now what is computer actually? Today I am going to ask this question from Decoder. I am sure he will give useful information for us. Many questions came to my mind while coming here. And I am sure Decoder knows the answers. Decoder is in the classroom. Let's go. Hello. I discussed my question with Decoder. Now let's listen to his words and learn from them.
First of all, welcome to the first video of the channel. And it's good to mention that the question that Zaki asked is an excellent topic to start with. I like to define computer as an electrical machine which accepts data, processes it, and after processing, it gives the processed information for us. If I say about history of computer, I like to start from the first modern computer which was created by Charles Babbage, and was programmed by Ada Lovelace which was his student. Then computers was developed, and finally we have the computer that we see now. I think this much history about computer is enough for us. Now let's talk about current and future states of computer. Computer are divided into 5 main types. Supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini-frame computer, workstation and microcomputers are the 5 types of computers which I mentioned. But note that this classification is based on the capability of the computer on processing data, which starts with strongest which is supercomputer or the fastest computer in the world, and ends with weakest which is microcomputer or our own personal computers. All of the mentioned types of computers consist of 2 major parts, which are hardware and software. Hardware is that part of computer which we can see them and interact with them physically or directly, and software is that part of computer which we can see them but we cannot interact with them physically or directly. We need hardwares in order to interact with software, and we need software in order to control hardware. So we can say they are complements of each other, and one cannot work without another. We also have the concept of firmware, but I do not want to make this complicated with it, so we will leave it for now.
I have a question, Professor. You mentioned process a lot. What is a process then?
To answer this question, we will need a whiteboard. Computers are electrical devices, and all they understand is active and inactive signals of electricity. Humans, in order to relate this with their own concepts, assign names for these signals. A 1 for an active signal and a 0 for an inactive signal, which makes the binary concept. So in our point of view computers works based on binary. Each data that we know like alphabets, numbers, colors have a binary code. And computer knows these codes. And every time that we enter a data into computer it converts it into binary according to these codes. And after processing it according what users wants, the result will be converted back from binary into data which is understandable for us.